What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Chosen on Rising, back with another video. Namaste, 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 family. You will leave with more love, guidance, and what? Balance in your life. So check this out. This video today, I'm going to do what you need to be stocking up on because what's finna go on, bro. I just want y'all to be prepared for anything. You see what I'm saying? And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let me just tell y'all though. Let me tell y'all, for the new people, the reason I'm telling people to stock up is because it's gonna be a point. I foresee a problem in the future. And other people are talking about it also. You know what I mean? You really gotta go within on the information I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? Just don't run with it. It's going to be a food shortage, or it's going to be a point of time that if you don't, that you're not gonna be able to go nowhere. Basically, you're not gonna be able to go nowhere. You see what I'm saying? They're gonna have us on lockdown. Definitely, we definitely ready to be on another lockdown. I hope y'all know that, and it's gonna be even more secure. And you don't want to be going out why they got all this bullshit going on. It's gonna be a lot of low vibrations, a lot of bullshit going on that you don't need to be in, and you need to be focusing on yourself. But so number one thing that you need to get, bro. You know what I mean? Number one thing you need to get is, I'm gonna show y'all, distilled water. You see what I'm saying? Go get you some distilled water, bro. You know what I mean? I got my limes in mine. Sometimes I put lemons in mine, but I really go for key limes because it's seeded. And plus limes, I mean lemons are made from a mix of a cross of oranges and limes. You see what I'm saying? Just to make that. You feel me? So I fuck with the limes. You see what I'm saying? The limes do me justice. That's just what it is. You see what I'm saying? Get you some distilled water, bro. Even if you don't have distilled water, bro, just go ahead, get you some water and drop limes. You see what I'm saying? Because when you get to a point, say if they do some crazy shit like turning, just get something that's gonna prepare you, like that you be straight if anything goes on, because you don't want to have no fluoride water and you ain't got no limes and nothing to alkalize it, bro. You see what I'm saying? So what you need to do is go get you some distilled water, stock up on that shit. I got buku waters in here, bro. Got some shit of waters in this joint. You feel me? So that's something that you need to stock up on. Go get you some distilled water. Also, bro. Go get you some dry fruit. You see what I'm saying? So these are some dates. These are some dates, bro. Go get you some dry fruit. You see what I'm saying? Don't get no fucking canned. Do not get no canned fruit, bro. That should be GMO, and that should be having like that shit don't be seeded. You see what I'm saying? Go get you. I got these, bro, but like usually I try to get seeded raisins, bro. But these are seedless, bro. But they're simple truth, bro. You know what I mean? Did what I could do, man. Look, dry fruit. Go get you some dry fruit, dog. You feel me? Go get you some dry fruit, bro. That shit is very important. Do not get you no canned fruit. I repeat, do not get you no canned fruit. Only thing canned that you must get, bro, or that you should get, my nigga, is the canned vegetables. You see what I'm saying? So these are the canned goods that I got. Let me show y'all. Just show y'all a couple of them Jones, bro. I ain't ready. This video isn't gonna be long. You see what I'm saying, bro? Look at this junk. Turnip greens, bro. Go ahead and get that. You need your greens, bro. Get asparagus for protein. You see what I'm saying? Asparagus for protein, bro. People be like, you need meat. Like, this for protein, too. Chickpeas, bro. I can make... Yo, let me know if y'all want me to start cooking on this joint, bro. Y'all comment down below and let me know if y'all want me to start cooking on my channel, because I will. Because I can show y'all buku recipes, bro. Get my niggas straight. I get my niggas straight. You know, asparagus and shit like that, like I said. Mushrooms, bro. Mushrooms is good. You gotta know how to cook these, bro. I can show my niggas how to cook, bro. If y'all want to know how to cook, bro, my word, I got y'all. My word. Green beans, bro. Have a green diet. You see what I'm saying? Have a green diet. That's something that you need to have. Have a green diet regardless. You see what I'm saying? Something else. If you, bro, just in case the lights go off or some shit, just in case they cut off all the power, you ain't gonna know how to cook shit. That's why you need to have canned goods. Because if you can't cook shit, if you don't got no canned goods, my nigga, just get canned goods. Canned goods are cheap. Go get them while they're cheap, bro. Because once they might try to raise the prices, bro, and it may be that food shortage shit. You know what I mean? A lot of places outside of America are going through these type of food shortages and this bullshit. And it happened out there before it happens in here. Because this shit is ran by people outside of the U.S. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, I should know that. We get our shit from China all the fucking time and some bullshit, bro. I should show y'all these chickpea burgers I made. Look. These bitches hit, bro, so I don't care what they look like. Look at these. Chickpea burgers, bro. I can make one can, bro, can make like 10 10 to 12, bro. I swear to God. 3 meals, bro. That's 3 meals for your ass, boy. So, let me get these candles. Look, this is what I got. Candles. Go get you some candles, bro. Go get you some candles. Candles, man, go get you some candles. Just in case they cut off all the power and you ain't got no fucking, you ain't gonna be able to see shit. Go get you some candles. Go get you some candles, bro. Just in case you can't wipe your ass, bro. I'm dead ass. This shit is serious. Go get you some wipes, bro. I know that nigga ain't seen these since he was little, but go get you some natural type wipes, bro. Shea butter, bro. You know what I mean? Go get you some wipes, bro. You might gotta wipe your ass. They might cut the water off. You can't wipe your ass, bro. You don't want to be giving your ass blisters and shit by using that dry toilet paper. You see what I'm saying? I'm prepared out this bitch. So get you, what I said, candles. Go get you some wipes. Go get you some canned goods. Go get you some water. Go get you some dry fruit. And also, bro, I'm going to do a separate video on these, bro. But go get you some vitamins, bro. Some supplements, bro. This shit, I got a whole bunch of shit, bro. I got hair talkie, bro. I got, you know what I mean, black seed oil, bro. Oh, my God. I got a separate video for that, bro. I got this whole organic soap and shit like that. That shit you really don't need, bro. But it would be good that you get some organic shit when you taking a shower. You know what I mean? Get some type of shit like this. You see what I'm saying? Oatmeal and almond. You see what I'm saying? Go get you some shit like that, bro. Take care of yourselves, bro. And I hope I didn't leave my body wash in the shower. I'm gonna be upset because I know them niggas using my shit. But that's not neither here or there. But yeah, go get you some supplements, bro. Some vitamins, bro. I'm gonna drop a separate video on what vitamins you can get. Let me know, bro. Let me know what y'all want to see because I can do that. And I can also show y'all how to cook on this jump, bro. I would have y'all cooking it up for anybody. Cook it up for yourself first, bro. You see what I'm saying? Cook for yourself. Stop looking for somebody to come in your life to do certain shit for you. You see what I'm saying? So basically what I want to tell y'all, bro, you need to get distilled water. You need to get canned goods. No fruit. No canned fruit, bro. Go get green type shit. Green. This shit is like 50 cents, dog. You see what I'm saying? Like, you feel me? Like, that shit is cheap. It's cheap. You're not supposed to be paying for this shit regardless, but make sure that you saving your seeds too. Look, let me show y'all. I'm saving my seeds and stuff. Let me show y'all. Where them seeds at, boy? Let me see them. Look. Nigga saving his seed. Look at me saving my seeds, dog. Look at this junk. Oh, damn, I'm dropping shit for y'all. Look. Grape seeds, pepper seeds, and shit like that. I gotta plant some more lemon seeds, bro. Go. Man, start planting your own shit. Take care of it. Speak to your water and get your put the seeds in your mouth and stuff like that, bro. So it can grow to help you. Shit like that. All that shit, bro. Everything is just like how you move and how you imagine it. Bro, everything, your imagination is so powerful because you are the creator thyself. So you have to just realize that, bro. And take care of yourselves, bro. Get the shit that y'all need. Get the shit that y'all need. Please, please, please. You see what I'm saying? Take care of yourself. One more thing. Make sure that y'all do not if your people's not stocking up, bro, say you stocking up and your people's not stocking up, bro. You can help people, but do not put yourself in a bad position where that if you do this, bro, it's gonna fuck you up. Like if you gotta keep sharing with people, like say if you told everybody it's ready to be something, it's ready to be on food shortage or whatever, and niggas not listening. That's what it is. Worry about you first. Do not go out your way and hurt you and what you got going on to help somebody else, bro. Especially after you even told them, because a lot of people not meant to wake up at this lifetime, bro. But wait, before you leave, make sure you check out this video right here. You see this video? Check this out, man. I love y'all. Chosen One Rising, signing out.